Shahi Tukda recipe. For slices of bread, white or whole wheat, 2 cups whole milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, 4 to 5 saffron strands optional, 2 tablespoons ghee clarified butter, assorted nuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios for garnish, edible silver leaf optional for decoration. 1. Trim the edges of the bread slices and cut them into triangles or squares. 2. Heat ghee in a frying pan over medium heat. Fry the bread slices until golden brown and crispy on both sides. Remove from the pan and set aside. 3. In the same pan, heat milk over medium heat. Add sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron strands if using. Stir well and let the milk simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens slightly, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. 4. Once the milk has thickened to a custard-like consistency, remove it from heat. 5. Arrange the fried bread slices in a serving dish in a single layer. 6. Pour the thickened milk mixture over the bread slices, ensuring that they are completely soaked. 7. Allow the Shahi Tukda to cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 1 to 2 hours to chill and set. 8. Before serving, garnish the Shahi Tukda with assorted nuts and edible silver leaf if using. 9. Serve chilled and enjoy the rich and creamy Shahi Tukda as a decadent dessert. Note: you can also garnish with a sprinkle of rose petals or a drizzle of rose water for extra flavor and aroma. Adjust the sweetness according to your preference. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, plus don't forget to press the bell icon, and on which recipe to make the next video. Please tell us in the comment section.